Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College Nagercoil. News for the first half of August 2024. The 1st and 2nd of August 2024. Workshop on painting. In a 2-day workshop organized by the Department of Costume Design and Fashion, Ms. Dania Mole and Ms. A. Priya, the trainers from Dream Zone Training Services Nagercoil, equipped the students with fabric painting and clay art skills and tutored the novices in giving expressions to their creativity. The 2nd of August 2024 marked the beginning of the Diamond Jubilee year of our college, which was inaugurated on the same day in 1965. In a celebration at the Golden Jubilee Hall, Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the Secretary of the college, and Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the Principal of the college, addressed the students, felicitated all stakeholders, and together with the administrators of the college, cut the cake to share their joy in recalling the 59 years of yeoman service rendered by the college towards fostering academic and human excellence. The celebration witnessed the staging of cultural performances and the screening of a documentary tracing the significant milestones in the growth of the first women's college in Kanyakumari district. On the same day, the quiz club of our college, in collaboration with the SIOL Quiz Club of Pondicherry, organized an intercollegiate and inter-school quiz competition, Crossings 2024. The fiercely contested competition that went into several rounds was skillfully tailor-made and neatly brought to fruition by the quizmaster Mr. S. Muthukumaran of the SIOL Quiz Club. In an atmosphere charged with excitement and a healthy competitive spirit, participants from different schools and colleges vied for the top spot. In the school category, Bishop Remigius CBSE School Nagercoil won the first prize, St. Joseph CBSE School Manawalakurchi secured the second prize, and LHL CBSE School Thovalai received the third prize. And in the college category, Holy Cross College Nagercoil won the first prize, St. Xavier's Engineering College Chungangadai secured the second prize, and St. Jerome's College Anandanadarkudi received the third prize. The 7th of August 2024, Unat Bharat Abhiyan Awards. In an award ceremony held at the Gandhigram Rural Institute, Dindigul, on 7th of August 2024, Dr. Mercy, Assistant Professor of Economics, received the Best Performing Coordinator Award, and our college received the Best Participating Institution Award under the Unat Bharat Abhiyan scheme of the Government of India. The 10th of August 2024, Mother Foundress Day. A special assembly was conducted at the Golden Jubilee Hall by the campus animation team to commemorate the life and service of Mother Claudine Eschenia, the foundress of the Congregation of the Sisters of the Cross. In her address, Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, recalled the life of Mother Claudine and made a call to all for a refined commitment towards the continuation of Mother's noble works through a life of dedication and service. Dr. S. Mary Matilda Bai, the lay associate of the college, also underscored the contribution of the lay associates in taking forward the legacy of the Sisters of the Cross. Prizes were distributed to the winners of several competitions, and the assembly culminated with the staging of snippets from Mother's life, keeping alive the motto, "The Cross, Her Book, and Her Glory." The 11th of August 2024, Sports Achievements. Our students Ms. R. Mahalakshmi and T. Lavanya of 2nd BCom and Ms. S. Anita of 2nd BSc Computer Science won the silver medal in the 6th Junior State Level Target Ball competition held at Tandalam in Chennai. The 12th of August 2024, Drug Free Tamil Nadu campaign. On the 12th of August 2024, the students of our college participated in a mass anti-drug pledge. Watch the live telecast of the Drug Free Tamil Nadu campaign, received an awareness talk by Advocate Lakshmi Priya on overcoming addictions and building a bright future, and resolved to partner in the state government's initiative for a drug-free Tamil Nadu. The 11th to the 18th of August 2024, Anti-Ragging Week. The Anti-Ragging Committee of the college observed the Anti-Ragging Week on the 12th to 18th of August 2024 following the UGC guidelines. In an awareness talk organized for the students, the resource person, Mr. Jeevan Justin, Legal and Policy Director at the Third Eye, introduced the students to human rights and how to use the law to protect themselves from all abuses, including ragging. Several competitions were held and a selfie stand was put up to create awareness about anti-ragging. The 13th of August 2024, Blood Donation Camp. The Naval Unit of NCC and the Youth Red Cross of our college jointly organized a blood donation camp on the theme Donate Blood for Every Drop Counts. Dr. M.K. Rakesh, the District Blood Transfusion Officer of Kanyakumari Medical College Hospital, Asari Palam, and Mr. Nanjal Raj, the President of the District Blood Donor Society, congratulated the donors and encouraged them to spread the message of goodness to all. On the same day, the Department of Commerce aided in collaboration with the Institution's Innovation Council conducted a session on design thinking and innovation. Dr. R. Krishnapriya, the Innovation Ambassador and Assistant Professor of the Department of Physics of our college, was a resource person for the session. The 14th of August 2024, Seminar on Design Thinking and Product Development. The Department of Computer Science, in collaboration with the institution's Innovation Council, organized a seminar on design thinking and product development. The resource person, Dr. R. Krishnapriya, the Innovation Ambassador and Assistant Professor of the Department of Physics of our college, in her address, motivated the students to develop a design thinking process and explained the basics on how to design a new product and get a patent. The 15th of August 2024, Independence Day celebration. The 78th year of Indian independence was celebrated at our college with traditional fervor and gaiety. The chief guest of the day, Mr. Murugan, the District Educational Officer of Private Schools, unfurled the national flag, and Mr. Rama Budatan, teacher of Sri Ayasami Memorial Middle School, Karayiruppu, gave a compelling Independence Day address. Soon after the address, the students paid rich tributes to the freedom fighters and upheld the values of unity in diversity through their performances. Dr. Sister Lima Rose, the Mother Superior, Dr. Sister Sahaya Selvi, the Principal of the college, Dr. Sister Francie, and Dr. P. Satya, the Vice Principal of the college, were also present during the occasion. The celebration was coordinated by the NSS Program Officers and the NCC Caretaker of the college. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College Nagercoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues in each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.